How to log in or sign in to Netflix app. So if you want to log in or sign into your Netflix app, then first you just need to simply install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. So go with your Play Store, go with the search, and here you need to search for Netflix. Once you search here, you will have the application, so make sure to install the application by simply tapping on install. And once you've downloaded, you can simply tap on open, or you can launch your Netflix application. Once you've launched, you will get this kind of interface where you will have the sign in page, right? So if you want to sign in or log into your Netflix, then you just need to simply enter the email or mobile number on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. And if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot password, which is here, and then you will be able to reset or recover your password. You can simply tap on forgot password and then you can reset or recover it. Or if you remember, then simply enter your password and then your email and mobile number and tap on sign in. Once you tap on sign in, if your credentials are correct, then you'll be able to sign into your Netflix account. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.